build your other streams of income, work a 9 to 5, pursue your acting career, pursue your music, pursue your creative arts. And it's as simple as going on your Amazon seller app and just looking at your sales. Okay, I made this much today. As your sales come in, Amazon just direct deposits it into your bank. So you see, the way I look at it, you could dedicate maybe 1 week, 1 month. However, you set the time where you're just outsourcing items, picking up items, listing it on your Amazon FBA store, and then sending it out to Amazon. Literally just focus on just listing your items, getting your items into the warehouse. Then let's say you have like $100,000 worth of items just chilling in the Amazon warehouse. And there you go, you did your job. Now you can just focus on your other grinds, do other things, build your other streams of income, work a 9 to 5, pursue your acting career, pursue your music, pursue your creative arts. And it's as simple as going on your Amazon seller app and just looking at your sales. Okay, I made this much today. As your sales come in, Amazon just direct deposits it into your bank. So it's up to you. Amazon FBA is a good way to have another stream of income. That's the way I look at it. It doesn't take much work. I would say eBay and Poshmark, it's more time consuming because I have to list the item. I gotta take pictures of the item, steam my clothes to make it look presentable. I gotta measure them, then I gotta list them. I gotta write a description, upload the pictures. There's work. There's a lot of work involved with running an eBay and Poshmark store. You have to constantly be listing, and listing items is very time consuming. Plus, not only that, once you list the items, you have to store it. You have to have storage space. I know some eBay sellers and Poshmark sellers who do full time. They would rent out a public storage and they just store all their inventory there. There's just no more space at their home. But if you have space in your home, then you can store it at your home. But the good thing with Amazon FBA, you don't have to worry about storage. And Amazon doesn't charge a storage fee. Once your item is listed in your inventory list on Amazon FBA, you just slap on the label, you ship it out to them. Amazon takes care of everything. They have mounds and mounds of storage, so you don't have to worry about storing your items. See, with eBay or Poshmark, Mercari, all the other e-commerce, you have to store your inventory until someone purchases it. With Amazon, they store it in a warehouse. They deal with everything. They deal with packaging. They deal with deliveries. They deal with all of that. So you can literally just dedicate maybe 1 whole week where you're just sourcing and listing, then shipping it all out to the Amazon warehouse. If you have like $100,000 worth of items just chilling in the Amazon warehouse, all listed on your inventory list, at least you know in your head, like, okay, that's money right there. It may take time, it may be quick, it depends. But you know that it's definitely gonna push. As long as you're getting high-end items, you're getting items in demand, it's gonna push. I do have a video about drop shipping, Alibaba and all those drop shipping and wholesale sites. It's saturated. There's gonna be a lot of people with those same products. But you can still do retail arbitrage. Like these shoes, for example. These Nikes, you look at the retail value. I was at Ross one time. I found these shoes, same exact shoes, in the clearance section. It was going for $19.99 in the clearance section. I was like, fit. I just bought a shitload of them. I just stocked them. I think I just put like $1,000 down. I was able to get 48 pairs with $1,000. I was like, fuck it. I just labeled them up, packaged it, shipped it out to Amazon FBA. In 2 months, it was all sold. And I didn't even have to do anything. My only job was to just buy it, list it, and ship it out to Amazon FBA. And then doing that, I was just doing background work, acting, music. I was just doing all my other grinds. And those sales were just coming in automatically. It was all automated. So that's the thing with Amazon FBA. It's automated. That's why I really feel Amazon FBA, if you want to have a semi-passive income, Amazon FBA is a good platform to scale your business, to start out your business. Plus, another good thing with Amazon FBA, the Amazon Prime logo. Your items will have the Amazon Prime logo labeled on your item. So when people are searching, it's gonna show Amazon Prime on your product. Being an Amazon Prime user, 95% of the time when I'm shopping on Amazon, I usually purchase it when I see the Amazon Prime logo. I mean, of course, it makes sense. If you're gonna be paying a subscription for Amazon Prime, then you wanna buy products that are Amazon Prime eligible, correct? Usually when I'm searching, I'm usually always purchasing items with the Amazon Prime logo. And Amazon Prime logos usually show up on the top of the search results. So when you're doing Amazon FBA, your items will have the Amazon Prime logo. So you're more credible. You're viewed as more of a professional. You gotta get on Amazon FBA grind, folks. Start small. I have another video right here. You can click on it. How to sell textbooks. How to sell used college textbooks on Amazon FBA. I think textbooks would be the easiest because you could pick up textbooks anywhere. You can get textbooks in yard sales, Goodwills, thrift stores, people give it away. Family members who are not in need of the books anymore, you can ask them for it. College textbooks are probably the best way to start out your Amazon FBA business. Once you figure it out, once you get the feel of, wow, it's this easy, this is how to do it, then you can start picking up like shoes. You can go to like Ross, Nordstrom Rack, Finish Line. You can even order on, there's some websites where you can order shoes in the clearance section. DSW Shoes, Nike.com, or you can just go to TJ Maxx, Nordstrom Rack. And it's also luck too. You go to the clearance section, if you find a good brand name product for a really good price, pick it all up. Okay, get the entire stock. First, you log into Amazon on your Amazon app. You search for that same exact product. You scan the barcode, then you look. You gotta look at your competition. You gotta look at how many other items just like it are being sold on Amazon. What are the price that it's going for? How many has been sold? If it looks like not too many people are selling that and it's going for a good deal online, pick it up. You find something for 20 bucks and then on the Amazon app it's going for 80 to 100 bucks. Pretty decent profit margin. If you want to just test out the waters, maybe just buy like 5 of them, 10 of them. But when you're really confident and you know what you're doing, if you see an item while you're doing your retail arbitrage sourcing and that same item is online for like 3, 4, 5 times the price and not too many people are selling it, pick it up. You just list it, put quantity 10, 15, however many you got, put them all in a box, ship it out to Amazon warehouse. Retail arbitrage, in my opinion, is better for getting those sales quicker. Outsourcing, finding unique items, and then listing it, as opposed to going to Alibaba, AliExpress, all those generic brands, buying a bulk amount of them and then flipping it. Trust me, a lot of people are drop shipping and wholesale. A lot of people are doing that already. So there's going to be hundreds and thousands of people that have the same product as you. If you're doing retail arbitrage, you're outsourcing and you're finding unique items. If you want to do used items, you can sell them on eBay or Poshmark. Brand new items can go on Amazon FBA easily. If you find a nice pair of shoes for a really good price, stock it up. It takes money to make money, just like every business. But hey, if you have 5 grand, you could literally just buy $5,000 worth of those Nike shoes, flip it, turn that 5 G's into 25 G's. Just like that. Amazon FBA grinding. So folks, if you got enough tips on this video, make sure you hit that like, leave a comment, share the video to all your entrepreneur friends, people who want to start an Amazon business. Share these tips to everybody, yo. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. Got more upcoming videos for you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that bell, turn the post notification on. I'll see you on the next one.